following is an ESG video blog.
Hi, I'm Jason Buffington. I'm the Principal Analyst at ESG covering data protection. At ESG, we have 3 altitudes of research that help inform our coverage of data protection. Every year, we publish our annual IT spending intentions research. In December, we ask folks how they're going to spend their money and why. And in January, we publish the results. And for the past several years, improving data backup, which is tactical, and business continuity disaster recovery, which is more strategic, are routinely top 10, sometimes top 5 responses. Every other year-ish, we publish Data Protection Modernization. And this is my favorite report because it looks at disk tape cloud. It looks at backup snapshots versus replication, SaaS protection, virtualization protection, endpoint protection. Every aspect of data protection gains some insights. And we'll start to work on the DP Mod 2017 report in just a few weeks in order to give some folks fresh data for their 2017 messages and campaigns. The rest of my time is spent in topical research. I've spent most of my career in product marketing, product management, and field enablement. So when I do research, I really want to know 4 things. What are folks doing today? What do they plan to do in the future? What are the features that really matter? And what are the objections to overcome? Because if I was building products or messages, that's what I'd want to know. Right now, there are 6 major research coverage areas available to ESG data protection subscribers, including data protection personas, how DBAs, vAdmins, file and storage, and IT operations folks are changing the data protection buying and usage processes. Data protection appliances, looking at usage preferences around turnkey backup appliances versus dedupe appliances and cloud gateways, etc. BCDR research, looking at self-managed and DR as a service, DRaaS, trends. Data protection cloud strategies, backup as a service, using cloud storage as a tier, how to protect IaaS hosted VMs, how to protect SaaS. Long-term retention strategies. What's driving archiving? What media types are you using? Why not? Protecting highly virtualized environments. VM-specific approaches versus unified backup tools. Supplementing VM backups with snapshots and replication, etc. All of that is available now or soon. So what's coming next? I've already mentioned DP Mod 2017 will be kicking off soon, and you hopefully have already received an overview of that project in case you want to add your questions to that survey. We have 2 other research projects that are spinning up before the end of the year. Availability SLAs, taking a deeper look at what folks' SLAs are, cost of downtime, methods for raising availability or durability of IT, etc. And data protection storage strategies, a much deeper look at disk, simple or dedupe, cloud, storage tier versus service, and tape, why and why not. Both of those are in the early planning stages, so we'd like to hear from you on how much each one matters, especially because I'll likely only do one of them before the end of the year in order to ensure that DP Mod 2017 is on time and phenomenal. The other news is that ESG Data Protection's research calendar is snapping to a biannual rhythm. This will help you better plan for when data will be available to support your campaigns. And for those folks where the data can be really impactful, so you'll want to co-sponsor that research in order to add your questions, tweak my questions, etc. This will hopefully help you budget your research dollars well in advance. We've also done some bundling incentives in case you want to pre-sponsor multiple reports. You can talk to your ESG client relations person for more on that. For odd years, like 2017, we'll be doing at least DP Mod for Q1 to give you top-line data across the industry, DP Personas for Q2 in time for event season, DP Appliances for Q3 in order to help with your H2 campaign work. For even years, like 2018, we'll be uplifting most of our 2016 reports. BCDR and DRaaS for Q1, again to give you that top-line SLA data for the beginning of the year. Virtualization protection for Q2 so that you have more to say at VMworld and Ignite. DP Cloud strategies for Q3, long-term retention for Q4. This rhythm will also help us do more ad hoc or custom research throughout the year as needed. For the topics that align with your needs, you'll know when they're coming, and which ones you might want to influence for maximum insights. And if there are topics that aren't covered, but you need, please let us know. I'm Jason Buffington for ESG. We're here to help.